Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Patrick Zeinali's chocolate cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda and ½ teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of whole milk, 2 large eggs, a ½ cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This combination ensures a perfect cake. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, eggs, oil, and vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a wonderfully tender cake. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare 2 8-inch round cake pans by greasing them, lining the bottoms with parchment paper and then greasing the parchment. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 pans. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Let them cool slightly before removing from the pans. Once your cakes are completely cool, it's time for the best part: frosting. Prepare a delicious chocolate buttercream frosting. Place 1 cooled cake layer on your serving plate, spread a generous amount of frosting, then top with the second layer. Frost the top and sides of the entire cake smoothly. For an extra touch, garnish with chocolate shavings or sprinkles. Now, slice and enjoy this incredible chocolate cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.